Hey, it's Lauren. Today I'm going to make the ultimate post-workout superfood smoothie, and it's coming at you now. If you're doing a post-workout protein smoothie, shake, whatever it is, that is awesome. However, not every protein is created equally. A lot of proteins on the market today are full of fillers and additives and preservatives. So I'm going to make a superfood protein smoothie that is not containing any kind of filler or additive, perfect for your recovery and to get you back in the gym faster. So this shake has about 5 ingredients. You can remove some if you feel it's necessary, but the number one important one is the protein. So protein, we need protein. If you're in the gym, you're working out, you need protein to help facilitate recovery. This protein powder is made by Naked. It contains not only grass-fed New Zealand whey, it also has, and it's all isolate protein, it also contains colostrum from bovine. Colostrum is essential for getting your gut health better. It's also helpful for improving digestion, and colostrum helps with protein utilization. So that means that the protein that you're putting in your body is going to actually be absorbed better and used better to help facilitate your recovery. In addition, it has probiotics, and probiotics are great for gut health. These probiotics are extremely stable. They survive passage through the gut. A lot of products on the market do not have probiotics that are at this type of level. So make sure that any product that you do use, that you are getting exactly what it says it's supposed to do. Okay, so that's your protein. That will take care of your muscles. Now, in addition, I'm adding some banana. Banana is going to help with your electrolyte replenishment. It's also a good source of carbs. In addition, I'm going to add a little bit of ginger, about 1 inch of ginger root fresh. Ginger is a strong anti-inflammatory, so it's going to help with your post-workout recovery of your muscles. And then I'm going to add a little bit of fruit. I'm adding a blend of strawberries, mango, and peach. So I'll have a little tropical flavor, but also there's lots of antioxidants in fruit. Don't think that you shouldn't be eating fruit. It's not that bad for you. Most fruit is lower on the glycemic index because it contains a lot of fiber. This mix of fruit also contains vitamin C, which is going to help with recovery as well. It's got some other antioxidants in there that will also help with inflammation. Okay, and lastly, I'm going to add a little bit of unsweetened almond milk. I prefer it. You could use water. You could also use regular milk if you prefer. Okay, so one thing that people don't really know or get very confused about that I asked a lot about is when you should take your post-workout shake. So post-workout shake, they know now. Before, a lot of people thought there was like an anabolic window or a short window of time where you could only get the benefits of your post-workout meal. But that's actually not true. Most studies that are done on post-workout recovery are actually performed on high-level athletes that are usually fasted. That means that anything pretty much that they put in their bodies, including a branched chain amino acid or a protein powder, is going to cause a influx of anabolism or muscle protein synthesis. So what we do know now after additional research is that pretty much your window is anywhere from 2 to 3 hours, if not more. It depends on what you eat during the day, as well as how your diet is and how much you're training. If you're training at a really high level, then you're definitely going to need to eat more protein and eat it more frequently throughout the day to get that into your body. If you're not, if you're just a regular active person, it's not necessary to run home and get that protein shake right away. It's just better just to make sure that you're getting in your daily protein needs as well throughout the day. And then after your workout, make sure you have a protein shake or a protein meal. Okay, let's blend. Okay. Okay, that's it. Perfect superfood protein smoothie for your post-workout nutrition.